Well, I feel amazing. I feel like I didn't expect to be that many people watching me. Like from because I was already thinking like from my in the beginning of like my started playing for Davis Cup, starting to all those team event or tournaments in Hong Kong. It wasn't that many people supporting us, but until now, it's just an exhibition. It's still a tournament, and I mean, I can already feel that the audience love tennis now, and getting to know that everyone like starting to have interest to play tennis. So yeah, it means a lot to me to be, to be the one to actually play all around the world, and then yeah, it's special. No, just having fun. You saw me just play and enjoy it because it's not that many times that I can be playing like this, all the time and in this crowd at home. It's yeah. I don't know. I mean, he can win. I think I had a great, like, I saved one really crazy match point, and then I don't even know how I get it, but yeah, that's tennis. That's fun. That's UTS. I just wanna, yeah, enjoy it. I hope I can play many more UTS. I really enjoyed it. 哦，爭好遠，因為維園係咯都幾好，即係雖然維園都唔錯，但係今次就真係好好多，係咯。即係喺冷氣。我可唔可以唔答？因為上次佢哋係下一個。冇都好開心，因為其實都感受到大家都好中意網球，好中意嚟睇比賽，所以希望嚟緊有多啲機會可以喺啟德度打。It's so funny. It's I mean we clicked straight away when he arrived here, and yeah, he's asking me where to go, and then like I suggest a few places in Hong Kong for him to go around, and yeah, it's just like this. It's so fun, and he's a nice guy, and I like to talk to him about anything about food, tennis, and he really enjoyed it here.
What do you think made you guys click?
I don't know, just maybe I'm just I talk a lot, and I asked him about like, yeah, I'm not shy to ask like questions about like what like where he want to go and all those. Yeah. 係即係意義好大啦，因為雖然係表演賽，但係都好好玩啊！即係大家都好 enjoy，跟住到最尾嘅時候，哇！大家都好見到企晒起身睇啦，哇！呢樣嘢真係我之前都未試過喺一個咁即係而家呢個球場都幾多人啦，我唔知啱啱有幾多人睇啦，所以都好係咯，好特別。希望第時都可以係咁，希望每一次我翻嚟香港比賽都係就希望有機會喺有呢個咁多觀眾嘅嚟支持我啦。咁係啊，因為其實唔一定我哋香港即係運動員，雖然我哋唔可以場場都贏啦，即係我唔想即係大家就係因為我哋即係可能輸幾場就唔支持我哋啦，即係我哋即係唔可以每一場都贏啦，即係我即係有陣時會見到即係可能大家都覺得佢唔得㗎啦，佢可能又即係冇個狀態上唔翻去啦，咁所有呢啲嘢我覺得我點都要即係我覺得即係中意我哋嘅唔中意我哋嘅，我哋都最緊要我哋自己享受。
鬥埋雙台都係。
係意義好大，因為其實都冇諗過有咁多人嚟睇啦。咁希望下一次我打即係其他嘅比賽都有咁多人嚟可以支持啦，大家我都見到好享受即係睇網球嘅樂趣。我會啊，計劃都喺亞洲都會周圍去比賽，可能韓國啊、台灣啊，周圍去即係希望可以繼續攞多啲分，即係升高個排名咯。咁即係備戰下年咯，即係一路 keep 住，因為其實而家都未升啦，差唔多，但係即係去盡埋啦，即係打埋最尾呢幾個星期就可以放一放假啦，都攰攰地其實講真。我都係最想翻嚟，因為其實我真係冇乜時間可以翻到嚟，所以呢樣嘢我就係想翻嚟同屋企人同大家即係做翻一個即係正常人咯，即係講真，即係周圍可能去下，即係出去食下嘢，即係放鬆一下，因為其實講真， 成年一路比賽都好攰嘅，其實絕對有啦！大家我見到好享受呢個比賽，我諗呢樣嘢就係正正呢個 UTS 俾到我哋嘅一個係咯，呢一個嘅體驗咯，好特別。我係咯，希望我嚟緊可以再有下一個機會可以喺度打啦，或者打到 UTS。Thank you。
OK，thank you。